Welcome to Project EigenCAM. My name is Chen Tran. This short video shows the resources available to learn and build your own smartphone-based spectrometer. The optical prescription for the spectrometers are located in the CMX page. The 3D printing models are in the SolidWorks page. All the light spectral analysis codes are located under the MATLAB, iOS, or Android pages. We're making additional how-to video, and we'll be upload them as available. Here's an example of a prototype that I built to fit a slip-on case for the iPhone 6s. Basically, you just build a spectrometer module and then make an adapter plate to match up with your phone case camera window. So in this design, I use a diffuser for controlling the light intensity. Since some of the light source that you point the spectrometer to could be fairly bright, so you need some sort of an attenuator, light attenuator. So in this case, just a white diffuser. The port that you see there, it's non-concentric. So as you rotate it, you can attenuate the light to get just the right exposure so it doesn't overexpose the camera. In addition to it, you can use that port and stick a fiber optics on there. That's also very good at diffusing the light evenly. Here are some analysis features of the SpectroView app. For calibration, you'll have to enter in 3 reference wavelengths of the reference LED that you've seen earlier in the video. But it's only a one-time calibration.